Oh, that's a heavy thing. How'd you pick
Oh my goodness, now you can grill and cook, can't you?
Look at that.
That is nice.
Something else in there.
Look at this. It's corn.
Corn?
Hot dogs.
Corn and hot dogs? Stuff for your grill? What else you got over there?
There's more presents, Sam. The green ones. That's corn. Do you see him behind there? See him by your cozy coop? That's my big one. Whoa! What's that? It's a tractor.
A new tractor?
You got a tractor?
What'd you get?
I got a new tractor.
You did?
Yeah. I'm
Wow.
gonna go get dressed so I can try out my.
Let Grandpa see it.
Who was it from, Sammy? Oh my goodness!
That's
Who brought
nice,
you
Sam.
that?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus!
Wow.
Let's open presents. Get this.
Some candy.
Let's set these down. Set these down, Daddy.
Okay. Sounds like a good idea.
You're doing good, Sam.
There's a lot of things there, isn't there?
Now you can get to your present.
Look at this.
Yeah, you gotta tear the paper off, don't you?
Oh, I got to tear the paper off.
You got the hang of it now, don't you?
He does.
I got some mighty things. I got mighty things.
Rip it.
I got some mighty things.
Boy, Santa really wrapped that good, didn't he?
Oh.
What are those, Sam?
Wagons?
Those are mighty things.
Yeah, and who brought those to you?
Bring that over, show Grandpa. Wow. Boy.
Those for mighty things.
Those are mighty machines.
That should be
You might have to bring it. You need me to help you with the big one?